In today's video, I'll teach you how to change location on Wendy's. First of all, launch open any browser of your choice. You can see over here I've opened Google Chrome. Now click on the search bar and type in order.wendys.com. Press enter. Now after you do that, you'll be led to the official website of Wendy's. Make sure you're logged in to your account. Initially, you'll be led to this kind of interface. If you look at top, you'll be able to find various options over here. Right over here, you'll be able to find the option for account. Click on it. Now you'll be able to find the options like offers, my favorites, order history, etc. If you want to change the location, click on this option, my account. Now you can see over here, you'll be led to the account interface. From here, you'll be able to change the account information. So if you want to change the location, all you have to do is simply change your zip code. Unfortunately, you'll not be able to change the country, but you can simply change the location by changing the zip code. So click on the field of zip code. Now it is the initial zip code. Now what you have to do is enter the new zip code over here. Now after you do that, what you have to do is simply scroll down and click on the save option that you can see on the screen. Now you can see over here the profile has been updated successfully. Now your zip code along with your location has been changed. So like this, you'll be able to change the location. So that is how you change location on Wendy's. I hope you found this video helpful. Thank you for watching.